Assalamualaikum class 10th. Hope you all will be good and you are taking my online lectures. In my last lecture I have done formal letter to editor, and I have given you one letter. I hope you have done your home task. Today I am going to start comprehension passage. See, it's on page number 38. Exercise number 1. Today date is 11/7/2020. It's my 17th lecture and day is Saturday. And it is given on your grammar book. You have to open your grammar book and open page number 38. Exercise number 1. It's about your comprehension passage. A paragraph is given. You have to read the paragraph and then try to give the answers or find out the answers from the paragraph. Questions are given. See, 7 questions are given related to the paragraph. First you have to read the paragraph and understand it, then find the answer of these questions from the paragraph. That is your comprehension. Let me start. About 60 years ago, the question of choosing our profession was not taken up seriously. So 60 साल पहले पेशे का जो इंतखाब था उसको संजीदगी से नहीं लिया जा सकता था. Our son generally followed the trade of his son. एक बेटा अपने बाप के पेशे को ही फॉलो करता था या उसी की पैरवी करता था. So what was the reason? That about 60 years ago the people was not taking the selecting of their profession seriously because the son is follow the profession of his father. कि एक बेटा जो है बाप के प्रोफेशन को ही फॉलो करता था और इसको सीरियसली नहीं लिया जा सकता था, बट नाउ आ डेज one can take up a trade one like. So today the people or the students can select their profession to their own. वो अपनी मर्ज़ी से अपना पेशा का इंतखाब कर सकते हैं. The students who make the right choice of profession are always successful. What is the advantage? That if the students choose the professions rightly, he is successful in his life. For the right choice of a profession there should be one definite aim. यानी अगर हमने सही पेशे का इंतखाब करना है तो हमारे पास एक ख़ास मकसद होना चाहिए, डेफिनेट एम होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट वी वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर, अ टीचर, अ प्रोफेसर, अ पायलट, वट एवर वी वांट टू बी, इट शुड बी अवर डेफिनेट एम. ये हमारा ख़ास मकसद होगा कि हम क्या बनना चाहते हैं. द स्टूडेंट्स हु डू नॉट हैव एनी definite aim suffer a lot in the end, as they has also a difficulty in finding an employment. Employment means job. If the students has no definite aim, they will suffer to find any job. कि जिन स्टूडेंट्स का कोई ख़ास मकसद नहीं होता, आखिरकार उन्हें जॉब की तलाश में, एम्प्लॉयमेंट की तलाश में बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल उठानी पड़ती है. In choosing a profession, the teacher and the parents play a very important role. So the parents and the teachers are the person who know the capability and the abilities of a student. कि वो अपने जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो चिल्ड्रन हैं, उनकी कैपेबिलिटीज़ को, एबिलिटीज़ को जानते हैं. सो इन केस ऑफ a profession, choosing a profession, the teacher and the parents play a very important role. कि टीचर और पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. The teacher keep an eye on his pupils, he studies their habit. So teacher always keep an eye on their pupils. The teacher know about their pupils and know their habits. उनकी आदत को जानती है, उनकी जो एबिलिटीज़ हैं उनको वो जानती है. सो ही कैन पुट हिज पीपल ऑन द राइट पाथ ऑफ लाइफ. सो अ टीचर कैन सेलेक्ट द राइट पाथ फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स टू सेलेक्ट अ राइट प्रोफेशन. कि वो कौन सा प्रोफेशन सेलेक्ट करें स्टूडेंट्स, उसके लिए टीचर उनको बहुत अच्छा गाइड कर सकते हैं. सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What were the conditions about the choice of a profession 60 years ago? You will start from here. About 60 years ago, the question of choosing a profession was not taken up seriously. Till here is the answer of question number 1. Try to write the answer from your book. You can write the answer to your own. You can also write that the condition about the choice of a profession 60 years ago was not taken up seriously. Profession 60 years ago was not taken up seriously, and the answer will be completed. क्वेश्चन के अंदर से भी आप आंसर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आप एज इट इज़ लिखना चाहते हैं तो आप वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. What did the people do not choose the profession seriously? So why they don't choose the profession seriously? You will write, the people did not choose the profession seriously because a son generally followed the trade of his father. That was the reason कि जो बेटा था वो फादर के जो ट्रेड था या जो उसकी प्रोफेशन था उसको ही फॉलो करता था. You will write, start from here, the people did not choose a profession seriously because our son generally followed the trade of his father. Is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Can a student of the present time choose his profession freely? Yes, a student of the present times choose his profession freely. You will just write yes in question number 3. Question number 4. What is the advantage of a right choice of a profession? You can say the advantage of a right choice for a profession is that the person can be successful. See, the person can be successful at the end. If you want to write from the book, you can write, the student who make a right choice for profession are always successful. Both answers are correct. आपने अगर खुद से आंसर देना है जस्ट 2-3 वर्ड्स में तो वो भी आप दे सकते हैं. और अगर आप यहाँ टेक्स्ट बुक में से या जो पैसेज है उसमें से भी फुल आंसर देना चाहते हैं तो वो भी करेक्ट होगा. अगर आप यहाँ से क्वेश्चन में से स्टार्ट करेंगे आंसर्स तो भी ठीक होगा. अगर आप लिखते हैं द एडवांटेज ऑफ a right choice of a profession is that the person will be successful at the end. या यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, the students who make the right choice of a profession are always successful. I hope you will understand how you have to give the answer. Question number 5. How can a student choose his profession rightly? A student can choose his profession rightly by the help of teacher and parents. यानी टीचर और पेरेंट्स के ज़रिए से वो right profession select कर सकता है. What will be the difficulty of a student who is reading without a definite aim? What happen? He will find difficulty to find any job or employment. You can write the answer from here. The student who do not have any definite aim suffer a lot in the end as they have also a difficulty in finding an employment. And you can start from here also. A student who is reading without a definite aim will suffer a lot in the end as they have also a difficulty in finding the employment. Question number 7. How can a teacher help his pupil in making a choice of profession? A teacher can help. You will start from here. A teacher can help his pupil in making the right choice of profession by keep an eye on his pupil and studies their habit. These are the answer of question number 5. I hope you have understand how you have to do it. First of all, you have to do this activity on your neat notebook. On your grammar portion, you have to write first 3 words and then write the rest of the paragraph in dotted line and then write 2-3 words at the end. Let me show you. I have done it on my notes. See, I have written passage number 1 about 60 years. Then I have given dotted line and the last 3 words path of life. So it is paragraph. You have to just write comprehension passage number 1. It will be easy for you to understand that you are doing comprehension passage number 1. Then question answers I have done from the passage. So you have to do the work as it is that I am showing you. You have to mention passage number 1. You have to write the passage and then try to write the answers. You can write the answers to your own, but it should be correct. I hope you have understand the activity. Allah Hafiz class.